upon a time, there was a crewmate that was singing along. La 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 la. Then he saw a pipe, but he didn't know what it was inside. There was a flower inside the pipe. Yum, 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 yum. He got eaten by the flower. The end. Do you like our Among Us Waterfall card? We will be showing you how to make a comic strip on a waterfall card. Cut this paper into small pieces. Now let's cut the paper for the comic strip. Let's start drawing the comic strip. I'm gonna draw a focus on the toilet. What about you, Joey? I am not going to tell you. I don't know. My dad is going to help me cut these 5 squares out. After you finish cutting these, you have to stick it on these color paper. And we need to draw a line on each 1 centimeter. Then you need to fold these lines. After you finish folding these lines, you have to stick the comic on the panels. We start with the 5th comic panel. And then the 4th. Third. Second, last. You need to put glue on each side and stick it on the 5th comic panels. Now we need to cut the corners. Look at our lovely story. Help, I am falling. No? Help me, I'm falling in the toilet. This story is so dumb. Look at my lonely story. Machine. Help me! I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.